Mr. Surti, welcome to Denims and Jeans.
Thank you.
It's a great show you're having out here in Denim by PV. You'll see it's quite busy and a lot of great products.
Yeah, thank you.
So tell us about Surti, what Surti is doing. I mean, how it has grown a lot in the last 2 years, and you'd like to know more about what's Surti doing.
Yeah. Surti always drives its passion from the garments. We believe that the garments are the key, and once you have the garments, you can always produce a great fabric. We have been very happy to have some great buyers in the company, and we have been very, very innovative. And this year we have produced lots of collections, like One Dip collection and University collection, Savador. And going forward, we are going for an expansion now, being in Pakistan and being a Scottish producer. And so we are looking for expansion in the flat fabrics also. Flat fabric, looking for the mostly, so that we can give more variety to our buyers and we give a good lead time and give a good control, because buyers are mostly looking for a quick turnaround, quick lead time. We've always been losing out in that business. And we're also going for garment expansion and in Bangladesh. The project is a bit late because due to the political situation, but now it's on. It's going to be LEED certified factory, and we are targeting the gold status. Eventually we will hit 40,000 jeans a day.
Starting to start with.
Yeah, we will start with 10,000, but we'll have the whole building and whole infrastructure ready for 40,000. We'll grow in phases, but eventually within a year to year and a half, we'll hit that target.
Okay. So that's quite a diversification from Pakistan to Bangladesh.
Yeah, actually there are lots of buyers, who are more willing towards Bangladesh coming, and due to political situation, we are also looking at a lot of American market because there are lots of offices and they are all well settled there. And they are more comfortable there, so I think that segment of the market we can look for there, especially Pakistan getting a GSP now, hopefully. So we feel that we can hit the American market there, and we can also get better brands there for people who are not willing to come to Pakistan. So, I think the globalization will be very helpful for us.
So you will be present in both the major sourcing areas of denim.
Yeah, we want to bring a maximum solution to the customer. We want to really take care of them. Whatever they are looking for, we want to be there to serve them. So that's what our vision is.
So the expansion is mainly coming in the garments.
In garments. No, in the denims also we are going for expansion, and we'll be launching we started work on the second project, and we'll be increasing. We are putting up a new mill around 1.5 million meters a month. So we'll be hitting within the next 12 to 18 months around 18 million meters a year, adding the capacity.
So that will be almost touching 50 million almost.
Yeah, hopefully. At the moment we are doing 40 million.
Okay.
We shipped last year almost 40 million, 39 million last year was shipped. So we'll be hitting more than that.
That's a huge capacity.
Yeah.
And with the kind of innovations you're doing, it becomes even more important.
Yeah. I mean, we are at the moment we are using whatever jeans we are making. We are using 65% of our fabric for our own needs. 35% we are exporting. Once the Bangladesh operation coming, we'll be short of fabric. So we are putting up a new fabric. So always we want to have the ratio that we are using 60% of our own and 30-40% we are exporting. So that we always have some
fabric customers are always there.
Fabric customers are there. Innovation is there. And we are always very, very important to the customer, because we need to have always the best solution. So that's what the need of the hour is.
Congratulations and thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.